The story of a tiny seed buried deep in the earth, beginning its journey. Nurtured by the warmth of the soil, the golden rays of the sun, and the life-giving touch of water, it slowly awakens. In the vast orchards of Florida, this seed transforms into a lush green tree, its branches swaying with life, and its fruit, bright, juicy oranges, becoming nature's perfect gift. But have you ever wondered what it truly takes for an orange to make its way from the tree to your glass of fresh juice? The journey is longer, more fascinating, and more challenging than you think. Florida's rich soil and warm sunshine, this magical combination produces some of the world's finest oranges. But growing the perfect fruit isn't just nature's gift. It's the result of generations of farmers mastering their craft. Today we take you on an incredible journey, from a tiny seed to a thriving tree, and finally to the fresh juice in your glass. This isn't just the story of a fruit, it's a tale of dedication, passion, and hard work. Every tree begins as a seed, but in commercial orange orchards, trees are not grown directly from seeds. Instead, they are propagated through cuttings and grafting techniques to ensure strong, disease-resistant, and high-yielding plants. A small cutting from a healthy tree is carefully nurtured in controlled nursery conditions, where it develops roots and grows into a strong sapling. These saplings are then grafted onto disease-resistant rootstocks to improve their strength and adaptability to different soils and climates. For about a year, these young plants are given proper care, including nutrients, water, and protection from pests, until they are ready to be transplanted into the fields. To grow the best oranges, the land must be prepared with care. Florida's sandy soil and warm climate provide the perfect conditions for these trees. Before planting, the soil is loosened, enriched with nutrients, and properly irrigated to ensure that these young saplings take root in fertile ground. This is a crucial moment. The young plants leave the protected environment of the nursery and begin their life under the open sky. From this point on, they must withstand the elements, endure changing seasons, and rely on the farmer's dedication for survival. But nature has its challenges. Harsh weather, pests, and diseases all pose a threat to these young trees. Farmers work tirelessly throughout the year to protect their orchards, using controlled irrigation, natural fertilizers, and selective sprays to keep the trees healthy and productive. After years of patience and care, the long-awaited moment arrives. When the trees are adorned with delicate white blossoms, filling the air with a sweet fragrance. This is a sign that the next stage of the journey is about to begin. Pollination is a vital process. Bees and other pollinators play a crucial role in ensuring that these blossoms turn into tiny green fruit that will eventually grow into juicy oranges. When an orange tree reaches full maturity, the fruit it bears is nothing less than nature's treasure. After months of waiting, the farmers finally get to see the result of their hard work. Every orange is carefully inspected before harvesting. Some are picked by hand, while others are collected using advanced harvesting machines that can gather thousands of fruits per hour. The timing of the harvest is crucial. If picked too early, the fruit may lack sweetness. If picked too late, it can become too soft and overripe. Once harvested, these oranges are carefully packed into baskets and transported to processing facilities to ensure they remain fresh and undamaged. Upon arrival at the factory, oranges go through another round of quality checks. Only the best fruits move forward for further processing. From here, there are two paths. Some oranges are sent to markets as fresh fruit, while others begin their transformation into juice. Each orange is thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or residues before being processed further. Then they move into specialized machines designed to extract juice without compromising flavor. Every drop of juice is precious. The extracted juice is filtered to remove any unwanted particles, ensuring a smooth and refreshing taste. Finally, the juice is bottled using high-speed automated systems, ensuring freshness and quality preservation. Packaging is just as important. Each bottle is carefully sealed and packed to retain its natural freshness, ensuring it reaches consumers in perfect condition. This freshly made juice travels to markets around the world, bringing the taste of Florida's finest oranges to breakfast tables everywhere. When you take a sip of orange juice in the morning, it's not just a drink, it's the result of nature's generosity, a farmer's hard work, and advanced processing techniques, all coming together to deliver pure freshness. This is the journey of an orange, from a tiny seed to the glass in your hands. At Greenfield's Agriculture Technology, we bring you real stories of farming, innovation, and the dedication behind every crop. If you love learning about agriculture and the journey of the food you eat, stay connected for more insightful videos.